In today's video, I'll show you how to create a Jira roadmap step by step. Start by navigating to the Project section, click the plus button to create a new project, then choose a template that suits your workflow, for example, software development, and select either Team Managed or Company Managed depending on your needs. Give your project a clear name, confirm the project key, and add teammates if you'd like. Once created, open project settings, go to features, and enable the timeline feature, which powers the roadmap. Now head to the timeline tab at the top of your project. This is your roadmap view. Click Create Epic to add major work items, then use the plus sign to create child issues like tasks or stories under each epic. Double-click any epic to set details such as start and end dates, assignees, and attachments. Finally, use filters like type, status, or category to keep everything organized. And that's it. You've just built a functional roadmap in Jira to help your team visualize timelines and stay on track.